Hello class, my name is Mrs. Stalker and I'm here with Miss Timney and Miss Garcia for a very special lesson. Today we're going to learn all about plural nouns.
Alrighty, we already know what a noun is. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Some examples of nouns are a dog, a banana, a tree, or a teacher.
Now let's start learning about plural nouns. Plural nouns are people, places, or things in amounts more than one. Most of the time when there is more than one, you add an S to the noun to make it plural. That is the first way to do it. For example, I have a banana. What would that look like if I find more than one banana? What would that word banana look like then? When you have more than one banana, then you add the S to the end to make the word bananas.
What if you have more than one tree in your background? How does the word tree change? That's right, you just add an S to the word. So far we've learned that when you have more than one of a noun, you just add an S to the end of that word to make it a plural noun.
Adding an S to the end of a noun doesn't always work. There are some nouns that end in a CH, SH, S, X, and Z that you can't add an S to. It sounds silly, but it can be easy. Let me show you. The second way to make a noun plural is by adding an ES. For example, fox is a word that ends in X, and you aren't allowed to put an S at the end. In this case, you add an ES to the word instead. The third and final way to make a noun plural is to drop the letter and add IES. Sentence, the baby is sleeping. If there is more than one baby, the sentence changes. An S cannot come after a Y, so we take it away and add IES. This way, the sentence will then say, the babies are sleeping.
Do you remember the 3 ways to make a noun plural? First, for most nouns, you can just add an S to the word. For example, the cat has a hat can turn into the cats have hats.
When a word ends in CH, SH, S, X, or Z, you add an ES to the end, such as for box or for leash, turns into boxes and leashes.
Third, when a noun ends in a Y, we take it away and add IES.
Now it's your turn. Let's do some examples. Can you help me make these words plural? Alrighty, now you know all about plural nouns.
Remember, plural nouns are people, place, or things in amounts greater than 1.
If you have any questions, please let Miss Timney, Miss Garcia, or myself, Mrs. Stalker, know. We are here to help you. We hope you enjoyed your lesson today. We'll see you tomorrow in class.